I would think it's also no, the Charles is in the department. Sure, rough it all up. We definitely have to go together and come up with that.
Thank you very much. Not so much room here.
First of all, I would like to thank everybody. People who came far away and where to go. Dr. Schlichter, well known, gave special message of today for you. Thank you to the players. Everybody else that is participating. There's a seat waiting for you to get to the back there. You see the slide behind you. The mother tells me in trust. Let the Nishmas leave us and run with it. Technical difficulties, please stand by.
shaila was if to go on with the Siyum or not. Obviously, the choice was made to go on with the Siyum. I want to explain the reason that the choice was made that way, and explain a little bit of what the Siyum really means. First, we Messiah Masechtas Vayikov. Vayikov is a very interesting Masechta, because on the one hand, it talks about Chalamayit, which is Yom Tov. On the other hand, it talks about Hilchos Avelos. We have Kufa that we're in, between Pesach and Shavuos. Chazal tell us, the Ran Shreyer say that the Kinder of Chalamayit Shamayit. Chalamayit, the whole thing, Pesach, the Shavuos. Everybody back again? Between Pesach and Atzeres, it's considered like Chol Shamayit. The question is, what does it mean, Chol Shamayit? Let's make those. So, Shutai, we're going to learn that the Indian is Chadloid, based on Yerushalmi, is given to leave it on Torah. Should come closer to the Rebbeinu Shalayim, should learn Torah. This is the time of the scaredness, the Yisvira, is the whole Yisrael of Yisvira, is to come closer and closer to the Rebbeinu Shalayim until we have all that Torah. So then, now, to leave it on Torah, will be more scared than Hashem. That during the year you have that comes down Shefa Bracha from Shemayim, comes down deep and deeper. Comes down sharp, little triplets. However, between Pesach and Shavuos, which is Bechinat Chol Shamayim, what's the actual Chol Shamayim in Yom Tov? You have that Aruba is Hashemayim Nizdach. The windows of Shemayim are opened up to give Shefa Bracha. Now, how do we all understand? What's a window of Shemayim? You have big windows like we have here, you have smaller windows. What is the exact height? What does that mean? So in Torah, we in the Torah, we find the Lashon Aruba is Hashemayim Nizdach. The Hafel by the Mount. It says in the Red Shalayim, we wrote the Hafel on the bell, as Aruba is Hashemayim Nizdach. Now we know, Chazal tell us, that we the Torah, Aruba, we read the Quranians. So that means, if we read the Quranians, there's the Shmais, the Eitzes, that we do as a Shemayim the problem. You bring that model. That obviously, when it comes to Tayyip, Aruba is Hashemayim with Tachel, there's a gewaltige Shefa Bracha that's coming down from Hashemayim in this Tkufa. The Shaila is how to get from the Shefa Bracha. It's coming down, we have to be Makabbalah. The very Kasam, Kaddish, which is said on the Siyum, is the only other place, it's not a Kaddish Yosef, but the only other place that you find that the Kaddish is said is Rahman al-Islam and the Beis HaKoros. You go to the Beis HaKoros, you marry the person, the Kaddish that is said is the same Kaddish. The Shaifa, the Torah, again, it's a spirit of Gazah. How can you use the same Kaddish for being the sign of Sechta, Simcha, and the same Kaddish on Bagels, the Torah, spirit of Gazah? One teretz that's given based on Chafetz Chaim. Chafetz Chaim was asked that everybody that has a yeshiva, we have Rosh Hashem, Rosh Hashiva from Philadelphia, we have Stein Rosh Hashiva, my Rosh Hashiva over here, that all over the town, that when it comes to collect a yeshiva, or for that matter, this measure for Beis HaKnesses, right, with Moshe, that it's not easy. You have all the time that there's always deficits that come about. So someone asked them, how come the Havla of Adolphus made a cloister? Then you have that whenever they make appeals or things like that, they raise as much money as they need, 1, 2, 3, and they don't seem to have the same problems. And here, when it comes to Beis Medrash, Beis HaKnesses, to Torah, Tefillah, which that's the Ratzon Hashem is upon, and there's always hardships. So the Chafetz Chaim said, when you're all like a chesed from the Rebbeinu Shalayim. Why? Torah has such a chashivas, the Gemara brings a very Kasam Demaisi. The Gemara brings a Maisi with an Amayra, the Malach HaMavos couldn't kill him. Malach HaMavos got an assignment to kill this Amayra. He couldn't. Why? He constantly sat and learned. The Torah was making as like that the Malach HaMavos couldn't do anything to him. So the Gemara says, you know what the Malach HaMavos did? The Malach HaMavos dressed himself up like an army. And he went knocking on the person's door, on the Tana's door, on the Hoyer's door. So he goes to the Hoyer's door, the Hoyer opens up, and the Hoyer gives him the Mazalim to give him whatever he needs. So the Yitzhahara revealed himself to Shalom the Rosh exactly what. He showed that he had lashes on himself because the Shemayim, they give him clap, because he's not fulfilling his duties. He's supposed to do practice the Shalom, and he's not doing it. So they give him clap. So he said, Mr. Hamrachim, you have Rahmanas, right? If you need money, you give me money. Here, my nefesh, that means exactly what he has a but he can't do his job, and therefore, he's getting clapped. So please have Rahmanas on me, and let me do my job and take the Neshama away. And yeah, Rahmanas on me, let him take the Neshama away. So you see the Koyach HaTorah is so stark that he can make him Mamu Shamisa. Sagt the Chavetz Chaim, when it's going to be Tchias HaMesim, you know what's supposed, the person is going to have Tchias HaMesim. Tchias HaMesim is going to be the supposed of the HaTorah, of HaTorah Shalom. So the name. The Rebbeinu that's like that. People that sit and learn, they plug away, they have the Hashal Leave HaTorah. Now you have people that don't sit and learn all day, they don't sit and learn, they can't learn, they don't know how to learn. So for these people, how are they going to be Zoicha Tchias HaMesim? So the Rebbeinu does the Chesed, the Rebbeinu makes it should be strengthened, it should be strengthened about the Knesset, that they have to come on, to go traveling all over the world. They go from one end of the United States to the other, from one end of the world to the other, in order to collect money. And that way, you get people that are far, far away, and they wouldn't have a shaykhus to Torah, they also have a schus to Torah. They also have a chayla in it. And that way, they're able to be zoicha to a Kriyas HaMesim. That's the time of the incarnation. The Kaddish that said by Sion, because the Torah Shabbat Peta Prav, a secret difference of this Kaddish than any other Kaddish talks about the Kriyas HaMesim, the Rebbeinu also the Chayim Mesim. When a person comes, Rahman al-Islam, to raise a forest, so he also wants to show a woman the top of Hashem of Tchias HaMesim, we realize this is not the end, but the person will be Machai again. So maybe they say the Kaddish to show a woman the top. But the same Kaddish, why is the same Kaddish? Because the Maisa, what's spus? Here's the person of Tchias HaMesim, the spus of Torah. That could be the answer why they might call you have the stira. Why does it say about Halwai and halachas are available? The teretz is because, like I said before, Halwai, according to one, with the Rishalmi is Halwai is made to sit learn. The person is busy all week, he doesn't have the time, he has Hanasi, he has different things that he keeps him from putting as much time as he would want him to learn it. Yes, the Rebbeinu Shalom will come to and that way the person is able to sit and learn. Then he will have a specific Tchias HaMesim. You have the famous Gam Shlomo talks very much about the symbol of the Sion. And Shlomo is a kasha. We know that Chasana, we make a bracha Shasimcha B'No'ena. Right? G'valdi B'Simcha Chasana. We make a bracha that the Simcha is the No'ena Hashem. The Simcha, the Ikar, is the real Simcha. This is Tachya Simcha. And we is also a Simcha. We is the real Simcha, the Ikar Simcha. That's the No'ena Hashem. That's Kaviyachal, the powers of the Rebbeinu. Fragt the Yam Shel Shlomo by a Sion, why should we also make the bracha Shasimcha B'No'ena? Right? Sagt Yam Shel Shlomo, I don't think you should do that way. So you ask him that you should say the bracha Simcha B'No'ena by a certain Suda seal. And Rahman al-Islam, a lot of different things happen. Shrek was asking, it was 5 years, but this, a whole bunch of parodies happened by that Suda. So the Yam Shel Shlomo said, Svara, I don't know. I don't know why you don't say the bracha Simcha B'No'ena. And that I see clearly that the Simcha of Hashemayim not to say it, and therefore you can't say it. Comes along the Aruch HaShulchan. Where HaShulchan says, Rabbi, can you please come to the front? It's a shame. Come to think of it, you belong here too. All you have the whole life is supposed to be cut off. I was in the yeshiva long enough to learn how to be an action. No? Shalom was bothering the Yom Shlomo. It's a double pashut why you should not make the bracha she'asimcha b'ma'oinai a סיום. Why? Zek Tazai. By a kasana. By a kasana, you want to show that this is not the Ikka Makam of the Simcha. The Ikka Simcha is the Maya Shalkar Baruch. Why? Because the Maya is Gashmias about it. The Gashmias is not the richtige Spitz Simcha. However, when it comes to a Simcha, a סיום, Simcha Shaltayra, versteht, Konshemricha L'Reisa Chadu, if you would make the bracha, Sha'asimcha b'ma'oinai, that would show that Reis and Torah, that would be a Zilzal Torah. Because that would show this is not the real Simcha. Someplace else is the real Simcha. Sagt that B'shas to make a סיום, the Mocher that you're making the סיום becomes Ma'oin Shal HaKadosh Baruch Hu. We're making a סיום in the base of Knesset and the base of Medrash. Chazal tell us that if a base of Knesset or a base of Medrash or a Mikdash Ma'at has a shtickle din of a base of Mikdash. However, now B'shas the סיום, it's more than a Mikdash Ma'at. It becomes Ma'oin Shal HaKadosh Baruch Hu. It becomes mamash the palates of the Rebbeinu Shalom. I think that's the shot. The Nittah Gabriel brings down like this. Nittah Gabriel brings down. One of the spot, parents of a person die, or the grandparents. When it comes to a chasana, his lashon is, lashon Gezayah, the Rebbeinu Shalom forcefully schleps out the parents and the grandparents to come in mishtatif with the simcha of the son and the einik. Somebody told me over the Naisa that he was by the Lrner Rebbe, was like gesund, by chasana of his son, in other words his einikl, and the Shas the chuppah, right before the chuppah, he said, Shalom Alecha Avi Mayri. So he mamish, based on the Zayah, that the parents, the grandparents, they come to the simcha. I don't think I'm stretching it, and I think it's emes. At this Iyum Mashas, my grandfather, Shalom, was unable to attend. It wasn't up to it, he was killing God, he was needed a big refuah. My grandmother, like I started off with, was nifta last night, which is something that is very, in the Goyish adult, you call it coincidental. You know, Anachnu Ma'aminim B'nei Ma'aminim, there's no such thing as something being a coincidence. Rebbeinu Shalom has a cheshbon for everything that he does. I feel just like by a chasana, the Rebbeinu Shalom takes the neshamas of the Neftar, parents and grandparents, and brings them to the simcha. Like the Zohar HaShulchan, it should be a culture game that when it comes to a simcha shal mitzvah of Torah, which is Ma'oin Shal HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Allah is kama v'kama, that the neshamas are mishtatif in the simcha. My grandmother, the last few months, and especially the last few days, with the Pradan Shabbos, was in no condition, to say the least, to be able to come to a Iyum. Even if she would have been brought, she wouldn't have been comfortable, she wouldn't have necessarily known what's going on around her. But inshallah, taking the neshama gives her the schos, or actually need the schos, that she should have to be present again. And that's, I think, shot and this Petira happening right before the Iyum. You have the papers that are given out. I was looking for something to talk about the Iyum. write something nice about a Siyum. So I happened to be going to a Siyum for Neisa. I saw it said, "Oh, Ma'al Sudas Yem Siyum HaMesechta." So I figured, sounds good, the heading is nice. I put it in, and then afterwards I read it. I didn't read it, but it was what the headline said. If you look at the Shaila that was asked, the Shaila that was asked is, the year of Tavshin, there were those that finished Maseches Megillah that was learned for Rabbim. There's a lot of Halacha for Klal Yisrael. It's a Eis Tzara. The Meiler, it's not proper to go and make a Siyum. At that time, maybe not to make the Siyum at all, or to make the Siyum, to make it very small, not to make it lavish, to be mamayit. So what's the right thing to do? The answer that the Mishnah Sachi answers, the Shavki says, "Lahem chas v'shalom levatul mitzvah gedoyel kazu, asher ein erech l'schara k'may she'ovi l'halan b'siyat v'deshmai v'shem v'beinu yam shlosh leimim." Something that's in a right l'schara. And at the end he says, it's the line, the part is underlined, "Kedai tzchus sudas mitzvah, magam sudas siyim, levatel aleinu kol zeres kosheis berois, u'lekarev bias Mashiach." Last night when the Shaila came up, to make the Siyum or not,